Waterfalls are breathtakingly beautiful and can be a great place to relax and take in the natural surroundings. They are also a great place for adventurers looking for inspiration, as they offer many opportunities for exploration and excitement. Brownie cookies are the perfect way to show someone you care. They're warm, chocolatey, and absolutely delicious. When you make someone a batch of brownie cookies, you're telling them that you think they're special and that you want them to feel happy and loved. Brownie cookies are the perfect way to show your appreciation and love for someone. Owning a dog can be one of the most rewarding things in life. Dogs are loyal, lovable, and always there to provide companionship. They are also great sources of exercise and can help get people outside and moving. Having a dog can be a great way to get some extra motivation to live a healthy lifestyle. And they are always happy to accompany their human friends on walks, hikes, runs, and other activities.